In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite your accountant to your Xero account. This is a straightforward process, but it's important to ensure that you have shared all necessary details securely, allowing your accountant to efficiently manage your financial data. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to start by opening a web browser of your choice and typing Xero in the search bar, or simply go to xero.com if you know the URL by heart. Clicking on the first search result, Xero, accounting software for small businesses, will take you directly to the Xero homepage. Once you're there, look towards the upper right-hand corner for the Login button. Click on this, and it'll direct you to the Login page, where you must enter your credentials. Do ensure that you use the correct email and password associated with your Xero account to avoid any login issues. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. Here, you'll see your business name displayed, often at the top or on the left-hand side. Clicking on your business name will reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, you'll want to select Settings. This will take you to an array of options where you can manage various aspects of your Xero account. In the Settings menu, look for the Users option and click on it. This section is where you can manage who has access to your Xero account and their level of access. Now, you'll see a button labeled Invite a User. Clicking this button will open a new interface where you can input the necessary information to invite your accountant. Begin by typing in your accountant's name. This ensures that when your accountant receives the invitation, they know it's meant specifically for them. Next, you'll be prompted to enter their email address. Make sure to double-check the spelling here because the invitation will be sent directly to this email. Once you've filled in the name and email, you'll need to set permissions for your accountant. Xero allows you to decide how much access you want to grant, ranging from basic to full, depending on your accountant's role and requirements. It's crucial to review these settings carefully and decide what features your accountant needs access to in order to perform their duties effectively. Finally, double-check all the entered information. Once everything looks correct, you can click the Send Invite button. An email invitation will then be sent to your accountant, allowing them to accept and gain access to your Xero account. And there you have it. You've successfully invited your accountant to your Xero account. This added collaboration should make managing your finances even smoother. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more useful tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.